Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to invite users and teams in ClickUp. So first of all, what you're going to do is log into ClickUp, and then after that we go right here to our homepage. Now what we're going to do is we select right here invite, and now we can fill in the email address from the person that we want to invite. Then after that, you see right here, invite as. So you can invite that person with roles. So if you click right here on this role, you see right here, we have the member role. So this member can access all public items in your workspace. We have the limited member role where only access items share with them. So you need to share them explicit, the items that you want. Now we can click right here on guest, can use all features or be added to spaces, can only access items shared with them, or admin, and the admin can manage spaces, people billing, and other workspace settings. So be careful with that role. And then right now we can click here on send invite. And then he's saying already on the workspace. So he's also checking if this person is already in your workspace. So if you want to invite teams, we go right here to teams, and then you can create a team by yourself. Now let's call this team name YouTube, and then with a description. Now it's not necessary right now. And then what you can do right here is add one member that's already invited right here. But you can also do skip now and then invite your members by clicking here on plus and then invite by mail. So then from here you can invite your members. Now add member right here works exactly the same, but this is how you can invite users and teams in ClickUp. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.